Many people spend hours in the gym rotating through dozens of specialized machines, yet they often lack the functional strength needed for real-world physical tasks. When training focus is spread across 20 different isolated movements, the body never adapts to the high-intensity demands of integrated full-body power. Historically, when survival depended on physical readiness, training was forced into a minimalist framework where only the most effective movements were retained. This approach required no specialized equipment, prioritizing the mechanical control of one's own body weight to ensure readiness in any environment. By stripping away non-essential exercises, training narrows down to 3 movements that address every major kinetic requirement of the human frame. Methodical physical durability is built through the ruthless daily execution of these foundational biomechanical survival skills. The first movement is the explosive push-up. This is a primary mechanic for upper body pushing, engaging the chest, shoulders, arms, and core simultaneously. While a standard repetition builds basic endurance, this protocol requires sharp upward velocity to develop true power. Generating speed from a dead stop triggers fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are essential for producing high force on demand. The daily standard is 3 sets of 15 repetitions, performed every morning without exception. Lower into a deep, controlled descent, then explode straight upward with sharp, full-body kinetic thrust. Keep your core tight throughout. Upper body capacity is measured by the ability to generate rapid force, turning your weight into a tool for displacement. Power must be anchored from the ground up. This requires structural integrity through the legs and hips. The common half squat fails to engage the full range of the muscle, nullifying the structural benefits of the movement. Dropping into a complete, deep range of motion increases the hormonal response compared to shallow repetitions, supporting muscle growth and recovery. Lower your body entirely to the floor while keeping a tall chest, then drive upward with sharp, explosive vertical power. Your daily requirement for lower body development is 4 sets of 20 repetitions. Compounding this high-volume output daily builds the resilience needed for the hips and legs to withstand significant physical stress. Mastering the deep squat ensures the human frame is capable of moving heavy loads without biomechanical failure. The final requirement balances pushing force with pulling power, creating a high-output grip and back. From a survival standpoint, the inability to climb or pull your own body weight remains a significant physical liability. Rushing the tempo or using momentum to swing over the bar reduces the tension required to build iron-like grip strength. Execute a slow pull, hold motionless for 3 seconds at the top, and then smoothly lower back to a hang. Begin with 3 sets of 8 repetitions, adding a single repetition every week to maintain progressive overload. A formidable physique requires a balance between explosive pushing and the controlled, high-tension output of pulling power. The explosive push, the deep squat, and the dead hang pull unify into a single daily mandate. This routine relies on the discipline to execute fundamental movements every day, rather than the variety provided by expensive gym equipment. Steady, consistent adherence to this protocol builds the structural capability and physical presence required of a warrior body. Strength is not found in complex machinery. It is earned through the daily mastery of these 3 movements. Subscribe to RyuFitX and start training today.